Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Messenger account. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Messenger application. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings icon. Scroll down until you find Account Settings option. Tap on it. Now tap on See More in Account Center. Tap on Personal and Account Information option. There you can find account ownership and control. Tap on it. To deactivate Messenger account, tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Now choose Deactivate Account option. Once you're done, tap on the Continue to Account Deactivation. For your security, please re-enter your password to continue. Tap on the Continue button. Choose the option where you want to deactivate your Messenger account. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and tap on the Continue button. Scroll down a little and then tap on the Continue button. And tap on the Deactivate My Account button. And that's it. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.